The human immune system is one of the most complex biological systems we know. The human immune system is one of the most complex biological systems we know, second only to the human brain. Yet, many of us remain unaware of its workings and significance. Your immune system is an intricate network of hundreds of tiny and too large organs, complete with its own transport system spread throughout your body. Every day, it produces hundreds of billions of new cells, organized like a well-coordinated military force with soldiers, captains, intelligence officers, heavy weaponry, and even suicide bombers. It is not some abstract entity. Your immune system is you. Your biology protecting you from billions of microorganisms that seek to consume you, and from your own cells that could turn into cancer. The immune system's complexity is vast, and it's impossible to cover everything in a single discussion. So, let's begin by exploring what happens when your body is invaded, and your first lines of defense are called into action. Imagine it's an ordinary day when suddenly, disaster strikes. An asteroid crashes, unleashing countless alien life forms ready to wreak havoc. This scenario is akin to what your cells experience when you cut your thumb on a dirty twig in the park. While you may find the cut annoying, inside the wound, a catastrophic event has unfolded. Dead cells, blood, and dirt are everywhere, and countless bacteria are invading the warm spaces between your helpless cells, seeking to exploit your resources. The first line of defense. Immediately, the first stage of your defense activates. Cells that survive the impact or are hurt start releasing a barrage of chemical alarm signals, awakening your immune system. The first responders are the macrophages. If an average cell were the size of a human, a macrophage would be as large as a black rhino. Though typically stoic, bacteria irritate macrophages, prompting them to attack without mercy. They extend parts like octopus arms to grab bacteria, swallowing and digesting them alive. A single macrophage can consume up to 100 bacteria before it becomes exhausted. However, there are often too many invaders, so the macrophages call for reinforcements. Hundreds of thousands of neutrophils in your blood pick up the distress signals and rush to the battlefield. Neutrophils are intense suicide warriors that live solely to kill. They attack bacteria with such zeal that they often destroy themselves. A few days after being formed to prevent accidental damage to your body. Upon arrival, they unleash deadly chemicals on bacteria or devour them. Some neutrophils even explode, casting toxic nets made from their own DNA to trap and kill bacteria. While this battle rages, your blood vessels allow fluid to stream into the area, causing inflammation. This fluid brings millions of complement proteins, automated liquid weapons that stun and kill bacteria by ripping holes into them. When the first line isn't enough, if the initial defenses fail to eliminate the invaders, your immune system deploys its intelligence office, the dendritic cell. While the battle rages, the dendritic cell collects samples by tearing bacteria into tiny parts and covering itself with them. It then travels to your lymph nodes, the immune system's headquarters, to find a helper T cell, a commander cell with the specific weapon needed for the current threat. The dendritic cell presents the bacterial parts to various helper T cells until it finds the one with the right weapon. The second line of defense. Once activated, the helper T cell begins cloning itself, creating thousands of identical cells. These new cells split into two groups. One group rushes to support the battlefield soldiers, while the other activates B cells, your antibody factories. B cells produce antibodies, protein superweapons that grab and neutralize enemies. Each B cell can create antibodies specifically designed for the current threat. The battle's climax. About a week after the initial invasion, your second line of defense arrives in full force. The antibodies clump bacteria together, making them easy targets for destruction. As the battle turns in your favor, your immune cells begin to kill themselves to conserve resources. However, a few cells remain as memory cells, providing long-term immunity against the same bacteria. This epic battle within your body happens without your conscious awareness. While a cut may seem like a minor annoyance to you, it's a life and death struggle for millions of your cells. The complexity and efficiency of your immune system are remarkable, and understanding its workings can forever change how you perceive your body. To dive deeper into this fascinating subject, explore resources like Immune, A Journey into the Mysterious System That Keeps You Alive by Philip Detmer, which offers a beautifully illustrated and accessible exploration of the immune system. Learn how your body fights diseases from cancer to the flu, and discover ways to boost your immune system.